Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. So is this some sort of puzzle? Nope, it's a practical print.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This is the spool holder that the Robo 3D R1 Plus comes with. The spool goes on like this, and the filament goes into the top. But sometimes it unspools or it goes down like this. So we're going to remedy that today. So we take your first leg, put the axle on. We put the first leg on the top like this, and then we twist it. Then we take the second leg, put it in the top, then twist it again, like the first one. But before you snap the axle to the second leg, you put the spool on the axle. And then you snap the axle to the second leg, and now the path is much easier for the filament to get to the top. But it is a little flimsy, so we will redesign it to make it better. This model was designed by Wogified on Thinkerers. There'll be a link to it in the description below, just in case you want to print one of these. This was printed with Hatchbox PETG on the AM8 with the 245-degree nozzle, a 90-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. Overall, this is a good concept. It's a little loose and it needs some tweaking, but it should help. For those wondering why we didn't print it on the Robo, was because it didn't have a good spool holder. No, I'm just kidding. The Robo was actually in the process of printing something else. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Everyone, so what's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot.